She stays. We're gonna go do some art. Okay, let's go. This place looks cool.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Natalia.
I'm Stephanie.
Stephanie, nice to meet you.
Look at how quick my kids love art.
I'm making a Ninja Turtle.
A Ninja Turtle. Look who's here. Jet. Hi.
Is my little guy in here already?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, girl.
I found
My child came before me. Hi.
I'm like, Jet, did you drive?
He did. He drove a sports car here. Hey, Ellington.
Okay, we're gonna go have some lunch, okay? And then we'll come back, okay?
Adios, muchachos.
See you later. I'm so happy to see you. Hi, and we're like, dump the kids.
Oh, that was a great ear.
My trunk, look it. My trunk.
Awesome.